Today we're installing these N2ITIVE tartan camber arms in this super cool matte black Model S. These are high pressure forged adjustable rear camber arms designed to dial in the perfect alignment for even tire wear. The following is from the N2ITIVE site. The forging process provides reduced weight and a substantial increase in ultimate tensile strength over standard CNC aluminum manufactured control arms. High pressure forging creates a grain structure that flows throughout the piece to increase the strength and structural integrity of the part. Further, we are continuing to use our forged adjustable chromely rod end, but now have our new custom spherical bushing built into the rod end itself, since there is no need for a sleeve around the bushing. The opposite side of the control arm also retains a new custom spherical bushing as well. N2ITIVE is providing dual spherical bushings in each arm for increased flexibility and articulation. This is especially helpful under high torque environments, like those found in a super powerful EV like a Tesla Model S or X Plaid. These new control arms offer our latest adjustment system to allow for super easy access to the adjustment mechanism for speedy and super accurate alignments with the wheels on. This new design also sports a revised single bolt clamping mechanism on the arm for a faster and more accurate torque on the clamp and eliminates the possibility for technician errors or inaccuracies in torquing. We also incorporate new neoprene closed-cell foam gaskets to keep the water and corrosive salts out of the adjustment mechanism. If you would like to read more, you can visit the N2ITIVE site, spelled N2ITIVE. All in all, these control arms are top of the line, and we were happy to install them on this matte black Tesla Model S.